A quick one. I thought you might like to see something I found on another Bantam I did previous to the sport we're doing at the moment. Have a look elsewhere on the channel for that if you're interested in Bantams. But this sprocket came off a Bantam. The bike was seized, complete. The rear chain was still on it. So whoever owned it, and I have got his name somewhere because it's on the logbook, must have still been riding it with the sprocket in this condition. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teeth and missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Unbelievable. How this thing moved, I do not know. I've not seen anything like it in my life. And I just thought you'd like to see it. You wouldn't believe it, really, that someone could keep riding, or any bike would keep riding, with a sprocket in that condition. There you go.